So, hello, it is morning, and today's the first day that I'm trying deodorant as a way to stop the chafing of the thick thighs. So, that's why I went to Walmart and I picked up, oh, the top just fell off, but Secret Active Cool, yeah, I don't know, we're gonna go see. I normally use Secret when I am putting on deodorant. I don't know, it just works for me. I'm just at work, by the way. So we're gonna see if this works. Okay. So at first, it doesn't feel too bad. Kind of feels slippery, not super wet feeling. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in an hour and see if it's still on, if it completely went away, and I'm also going to... Okay, so after an hour of working, I don't know, I don't mind the deodorant, but when I first put it on, it's like wet, and I don't really love the wet feeling because I kind of want my legs to be dry, to be honest. But they're not bad. They're still not chafing, but I haven't really moved that much. But right now, I'm just have my cape on. I just did ombres, and yeah, so short skirt. Still seeing how it goes, but I'm gonna let you guys know in a little bit because it definitely has worn off, but I'm still not chafing. So I don't know. I kind of have to see. You know, kind of have to see if it will or not. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna be using to see if I can solve this, you know, rubbing of the thighs. The next thing is called IV Verdure. I relieve anti-chafing, and apparently it's 100% organic. So let's just see if this actually does what it says it's gonna do. And let's apply this to our skin. Not sure if I love the way it feels. Like, I'm sure that it keeps you moisturized and all that jazz, but it doesn't feel that great when I'm just putting it on bare skin. And I feel like I'm just sweating even more. Don't look at the mess. Don't look at the mess. Okay, I'm cleaning up in here. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the Sween Body Powder. It's with non-caking natural cornstarch. So we're going to be putting that on our body. And I'm going to be wearing something that would definitely make muscle chafe. These short. These are the definition of short shorts. Okay. So, look it. I can already tell I'm chafing already. Just you put it in your hand and then put it on your leg. And I don't know how much I need, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go walk around a lot. It's making me cough, but yeah. So I'll just go walk around a bunch and just see if this does anything. Let's go jump on the trampoline. Let my legs, you know, rub together. Willow, come here. Come here.
Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Sit. Shake a paw. Yeah. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Yeah. Okay. Willow, rub your legs together. Okay, so I look like a wreck, but this isn't the point of the video. It's not a fashion video, so I can look bad. But so far, still wearing my shorts, and to be honest, it's not bad. I actually prefer the feel of this a lot better than the other two that I tried, the deodorant and the organic balm that I tried. I just love how if I'm sweating and I put on the cornstarch powder, that it just feels so much better. It kind of dries me up. I feel less sticky. So far this is a win, but also I don't know, it kind of sucks that you do see it. You do see the white powder. Next I'm going to be trying the baby powder, and I'm going to give that a shot, and I'm going to tell you how I feel. So the last one that I'm going to be doing today is the Johnson Pure Cornstarch Baby Powder. We're going to put this on and we're going to see if this works. So I will let you know in a jiffy.